Hi there everybody, welcome back to another video and welcome to Train Sim World 2. Today we are driving a class 377-4 on a service from Brighton to Lewes. So yeah, obviously starting in Brighton and it's stopping at every single station. So should be quite interesting, let's give it a go. Right, master key, direction switch. Actually, before I do that, lovely bit of frame rate lag there. AWS, DSD, vigilance, any others? DRA, we want that on too. And now, I have all of that good stuff on. Unlock doors. That's daylight? Yes, it is. Right. So we are not scheduled. What time are we scheduled to leave? Here it is. Lewes 10:22. Got London Road, Moulscombe, Falmer, and Lewes formed of 4 coaches. How lovely. To be completely fair though, they've done a brilliant job with this. Right. Doors closing. Oh, close the doors. Lovely. Let's go. I mean, strictly speaking, you are supposed to notch it up quite gently, so notch 1, pause a bit, notch 2, pause a bit. You're supposed to wait a bit, but I don't. So, for those of you watching, don't do that. Do it properly. It'll get you further in life. Door. Ooh, lovely. Okay. So we're due into London Road in 2.5 minutes. Oh, that looks really nice. But, I mean that's really nice. Lovely. Ooh, is that a, yeah, 55. 35 on top, that's for freight. On the bottom, that's 55 for passengers, I believe. And ideally, we want to be doing about 20 by the time we hit the start of the platform. Just start applying a bit of braking. And, yeah. And we should glide to a perfect stop. Maybe. As you see. Perfect. Unlock the doors. That button there, I believe. And back on the power. Right, do it properly this time. Notch 1, notch 2, notch 3, and notch 4, just because. There's another one. Hello. So 0.8 of a mile. Right, so this is where we've got to be careful because the speed limit is going up, but also we need to stop. And this, usually, is where I would floor it and then forget where the station is. Yeah, 45 for freight, 70 for us. Well, yes, but not really. Okay, and back on the brakes. Come on, come on. Aha! What can I say? I'm too good. That is some good stopping. Right, so our specific unit is 377-469. Very nice. Let's close the doors for now. It's quite disappointing. You don't get a guard buzzer, which, I mean, it sort of defeats the point, really. That's the button that you should press. And open that window. I can't open the door. I wonder why. Right, so the current limit is 70. However, it is dropping back down to 60, so I'm going to accelerate to 64 and then leave or let the speed drop by itself. I'm going to start applying a little bit of brake. 900 yards, okay, quite a lot of brake. And again, remember we've got the gradient helping us here. Don't need too much brake. Oh, there's another one. Hello. Is this going to be a lovely stop? It's going to be close. Come on, perfect stop. Oh. Yeah, we're 15 seconds late, well, 20. Fulmer, operated by Southern. Oh, it's his Ash 4 as well. Very nice. Now we're going to have to absolutely floor it. Oh, he's off. Bye, mate. Casually talking to AI trains. As you do. Right. Maybe we can go straight into notch 4. Do not do this. Look at that acceleration. Blistering speed. 0 to 10. About 4 seconds. Wow. Oh, we're doing 30 already. Blimey. 40. Very nice. Well, so yeah, we go up to 70 here. And every time we go into a tunnel, I am so tempted to turn on the cab lights. But we know fully well that isn't happening. A little bit of brake, because we are on an incline here. So what time will we due in? 10:38. It's doable. Yeah, these signals, they're really, really quite annoying. Unless it's just me, and there is another way of figuring that out. But unless it's green, then the next one's green. Or if there's a yellow, it means it's another yellow. Or a red. If anyone does know, let me know down below in the comments. I do like the sound these make. Right, so we've got the speed limit going down to 55 here, which is very nice. Oh, may have lost too much speed there. No matter. Right, we've got a... that was a yellow, wasn't it? Very interesting. Yeah, 55 down here. Add a bit more brake. 1.2 miles to go. I say I really do like how this looks like a sunflower. It's pretty. I'm pretty sure that's what the nickname for it is. My attitude when recording videos is keep it as natural as possible. Pretend you're talking to thousands of people, which obviously I am not and probably never will be. But it helps, because otherwise the video's completely dry and obviously it's not very entertaining. So, okay, that's very sudden. Speed limit goes down to 10. Damn, the AWS is going off a lot. Right, so we're going into platform 3, I think. I believe we should be bang on time. Alright, so that's our 10 mile an hour speed limit. Bit more brake, and we're going to go that way. Very nice. Nicely done. Unless that's platform 1 and that's 2, that's 3. Yeah, we'll find out soon enough. And of course, we should get our speed knocked down a bit by the curves. Hopefully. Yeah, there you go. 9.7. It was very busy on the roads today. Ooh, puddle. And yes. Bang on time. And another perfect stop to end the video. Close enough. I'll take it. Right, let's see how we did. Gold medal. Good stuff. Right. Thank you all very, very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And I hope to see you on the next one.